been watching this little sparrow sitting on the feeder, just swinging back and forth for, I don't know, a good 5 minutes or so. Just by himself. Get a few little bites. But otherwise just happily swinging back and forth. Just a happy little bird. And they're happy that I now have food out for them again. Now he's getting some help. Oh no, he got knocked off. How cruel. Anyway, that was a happy little bird moment. So now here's another happy little bird swinging back and forth. And he got knocked off too. Life is cruel. Okay, he's back up again. Happy little bird. Swinging back and forth. Everybody else flew back off. Has the feeder to himself again. Happy, happy, happy bird. Life is good. 4th of July. He has the day off. Swinging back and forth. He's just looking in the opposite direction now. See, he's really not eating much. He just seems to be enjoying swinging on that thing. That's just too cute. Chunky little fella too. Swinging back and forth. Even the fireworks aren't bothering him. It's not bothering him that I'm filming him. Noisy car just went by, didn't bother him. That's just a happy bird. He's got hummingbirds that have been zooming past him. Just doesn't seem to care. Not a care in the world. I need to get me a little swing like that. So you can see he's not making any attempt to go. He's quite happy. Happy, happy bird. Seriously, it's 30 minutes later and he's still there. 30 minutes later. Still swinging on a swing. Happy, happy, happy. I think we can all learn a lot from this. What it is yet, I don't know, but it seems important.